How to solve verification failed. If you are having issue that says there was an error connecting to the Apple ID server, then to solve this error, this video is for you. For that, first of all, launch your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings, there you will see general option. Simply go through it. Now scroll down, there you will see transfer or reset iPhone. Hit on that and reset all of your settings. Once you do reset, check if your problem is solved or not. If your problem is still not solved, then force restart your device. To force restart your device, simply press the volume up button, then volume down button and keep pressing the side button until you see black screen. And once your phone is started, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.